Being good with money is about more than just making ends meet. Do not worry that you're not a math whiz. Excellent math skills are not fundamental. You only need to know essential addition and subtraction to manage your money. Let's discuss something important about money. Please take a brief moment, go down and touch the like button. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go subscribe to Finance Functionality to stay connected. Life is much more simple once you have good money-related skills. How you spend your money affects your credit score and the amount of obligation you end up carrying. In case you're battling with money management issues such as living paycheck to paycheck despite making more than sufficient amounts, then here are a few tips to progress your financial habits. Although money cannot buy happiness, it can bring a sense of security. Without a handle on money management, you will continuously feel like your life is one step away from a budgetary cliff. 25% of Americans say they worry about money all the time. Studies show that 2/3 of Americans would battle to find thousands of dollars to cover a financial emergency. You need to maintain a strategic distance from being in circumstances like this, which means knowing how to manage your money. When you manage your funds well, life may not get easier, but you've got more time to focus on important things in your life. Managing your funds does not need to be overwhelming. Instead, execute these tips one at a time to take control of your funds. Number 1. Set up valid bank accounts. Valid bank accounts are important to your financial victory. Trying to manage your finances without a valid bank account is like trying to take care of your car without the right parts. You will need to set up savings, checking, and venture accounts. These are the building blocks of budgetary success. It is vital to get both a checking and savings account so that you can effectively separate your spending cash from long-term investment funds. Leaving your savings in your checking account makes it all too simple to spend your hard-earned savings accidentally. Number 2. Take stock of your current financial situation. Although it may be frightening, you can't improve your financial situation unless you take stock of your current situation first. Be brutally honest with yourself about any exceptional debt or high expenses that are harming your budget. Celebrate your good financial choices. Write down each and everything on your to-do list so that you can see the entire budget. Number 3. Make a plan for your money. Without a plan, it is extremely easy to find yourself short on money. After all, the treat-yourself logic is not difficult to embrace. If you say yes to too many unnecessary daily or monthly expenses, then you might be disappointed with your savings. To combat this, spare the time to make a budget. Plan out where you want to use your money. In addition to your daily expenses, think about your savings objectives for the future. You also need to find a budgeting method that works for you. Number 4. Check in with your finances every day. You cannot make progress without knowing where you stand. Take 10 minutes every day to check in with your budget. Are you right on track? Are you overspending? It is very important to know if you want to manage your money. It might sound tedious to check into your financial situation daily. However, it will not take a long time. We are living in a world of technology. Everyone has a cell phone. Use an app or spreadsheet to quickly find out how you are doing financially and get back to your life. Number 5. Manage your expenses. As you start to look more closely at your finances, you should look at your spending. Look for expenses that you can cut out of your monthly budget. Even cutting an unnecessary fee of just $20 out of your budget can lead to savings of $240 for the year. Some easy ideas on things to cut out might include work lunches, a box subscription, or your cable package. Exclude unnecessary things from your life to get the financial victory. Friends, I hope you are enjoying the video so far. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to add more to the list, comment below. Your thoughts mean a lot to us. Keep watching. We're going to discuss the 6th tip, which is very important. Number 6. Start paying down debt. No doubt, debt is a big, enormous financial burden. It does not just influence your current budget, but also your savings for the future. Take your debt seriously. Make it a need to pay down your debt. Consider diverse debt repayment techniques and choose one that works best for you. Do not let debt stand between you and other budgetary objectives. Make a plan to handle it today. Number 7. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund can be critical. Unfortunately, life throws significant expenses your way when you least anticipate them. Ordinarily, these emergency expenses are accompanied by challenging events such as a hospital visit or work loss. You never know when an emergency will appear in your life, but you'll be able to get ready for it. Make it a need to put money into your emergency fund with each paycheck. Many specialists recommend saving 3 to 6 months of expenses in your emergency fund. However, this will depend on your risk tolerance. If you'd feel way better with more savings, then you'll be able to include more in your emergency fund. Set up a partitioned savings account to store your emergency fund. Otherwise, it is too easy to spend these funds. When an emergency strikes, you won't need to worry about the financial side of the condition. Instead, you can focus on the crisis at hand. You will thank yourself later for taking this step. Number 8. Contribute to your retirement. Saving for retirement now can seem unimportant. After all, you're not going to be retiring for decades. However, you must start saving for retirement as early as possible. You should start investing in an employer-sponsored retirement plan, and make sure to take advantage of any matching funds offered by your employer. If you are not lucky enough to receive matching funds, consider contributing to a Roth IRA instead. Contribute with each paycheck to hit your retirement savings goals each year. Number 9. Start investing. If you plan to build long-term cash, then investing is a key piece of that. Investing over a long period can lead to outstanding returns. You'll be able to grow your money slowly as you invest more every year. If you're not sure where to get started in investing, consider taking some courses to find the best choice. You'll learn everything you need to know about financing your first dollar. Number 10. Compare insurance options. Insurance can be costly, mostly if you're insured enough. Check out your insurance alternatives at least once a year. You might be able to find a better deal on insurance just by looking at distinctive providers. While you're looking at insurance, take a minute to confirm that you are adequately insured, in addition to the essentials like healthcare and car insurance. Consider renter's insurance, homeowner's insurance, life insurance, and disability insurance. You may need to add additional policies to your insurance deck to upgrade your protection. Managing your accounts does not need to be difficult, but you do have to be compelled to start. If it's not too much trouble, don't permit your accounts to get out of control before you begin to manage them. Little actions along the way can help you avoid a critical financial disaster in the future. Choose to start managing your finances effectively today. Implement each of these tips over time. Don't let yourself get overwhelmed. Take it one step at a time. You may still have some questions related to money management. If so, leave them in the comments section below. We will help you in learning more. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the notification button, and you'll know when we post our latest content. Thanks for your time. Be happy.